Malak, are you there? So we'll start with Unit 2.
Yes, Miss.
Lesson 2.3.2. That means you are connecting. Yesterday I explained you how you connect the ratios, how you connect the proportions to these percentages. Okay. So you on page 144, you have a question. You have a question here. Camilla makes 2 of her 5 shots. So how many? 2 out of 5. Okay, this is how we do it. And here, how in the boxes you have to fill and show you. So I told you, when I need to know the percentage, I need to multiply with 100, right? How you need to multiply with C? See, number of shots, 2, and total I said to write in the denominator, right? I told you to write the total number on the denominator. And then percentage is nothing but percentage. Percentage means P by 100. Like whatever number they give you, whatever. Like example, they ask you 20%. So you must P over 20. This is how you find the percentage. This is how you find. Now see, next step is same thing what I told you. This out of this multiply by 100 because you know that this is division, it goes and then become multiplication. So instead of doing this direct step, you must know that this is the main thing that this came from. 2 over 5, like example, I got 10 marks out of 15. So 10 over 15, if they ask you how much percentage, you'll multiply by 100 and see. Okay. And like example, you went to a shop. Are you listening, Rital, Galia, and Malak? Everyone, are you listening? You went to a shop, okay? The original price is written on the card. Maybe it's written that is 260 riyals, okay? And they say you have sale of 30%. How will you know that how much you have to remove? You have to remove 30% because they said the sale is 30% off. 30% off means 30% less of the price. Now this is the price written on the tag. What will you do? You will write 260. Like, no. Here, you will first multiply how much is 260, 30% of 260. First, you will know how much is 30% of 260. 30% means 100 of 260 is. This is actually not related to this, but simple. I want you all to know. Let's see. Example, okay. Let us go to another way. What is it? Let us go to another way. They gave you that this price, they gave you a bag, yani it was 260 and they cut and they write here 210. How will you know how much percentage? This is the question now, like with related to it. How will you know how much percentage it's less? You write the present one, you write the total, and you multiply with 100 and check. So this is P over 100, and you multiply with 100 and check how much percentage discount you have. So it's 2100 over 26. When you divide with calculator, do you have anyone of you got calculator? Yes, do 2100 by over 26 and tell me. Yes. Press SD. How much? 80 point? 80 point? Okay. That means you have 20% discount. That means 20%, right? Because you have to do 100 minus 80. Anyways, even if you are confused with this one, this is very simple what they gave you. They said that Camilla got 2 out of 5 shots attempted. Okay, like from 5 she attempted She got 2 shots, okay? She attempted 2 shots. Is it more than, less than, or same as Emily's percent of shots? Now, where is Emily's shot? I don't know. Okay, Emily was example 1. In example 1, Emily made 75%. Can you see up? In the example, how much Emily made? She made 75%. So we are comparing Emily and Camilla's. Now, let us do 2 out of 500. Now you do this 200. 5 times 2. Your answer is 40%. How much it is? 40%. So in your book, you have 4 boxes like this. See, you have like this boxes, right? So what will you write in these boxes? You will write here 2. You will write here 5. P over 100. And next step, you can even find out what is 2 out of 5. What is 2 out of 5, girls? Let me see if this has opened or not yet. I don't know what happened to the website morning. Did you understand till here, girls? Till where I show you? So what is 2 out of 5? Okay. You got 0.5. So see, on page 144, you have such boxes. And you write 2 and 5. And here P over 100. And what is 2 over 5? It is 0.4 and P over 100. According to you, what you should do, you should multiply 0.4 multiply by 100. But this step is not written there directly. What is P? 40%. P equal 40%. Camilla made, then you have Camilla made, again you have a box, you write there 40% of her shots. Yes. Camilla's percent of the shot made is less than Amila. Yes, so that's it for this question. I'm sorry, Retal, I'm making you relax today. Give me a pen, yeah, Retal, so that you don't have to write it. Did you understand the concept? Dean, did you understand? Yes, less than. It's a very bad pen. Give me something else. But I hope this doesn't happen in the next class with your textbook here. It's very difficult without, especially in an online class. Okay, now page number, I'll just show you example 2 first. Let's see example 2. See if you can understand.
A plan to expand Megan's room will make the length of the room 175% of the current length. What will be the new length of her room?
First of all, girls, she said that a plan to expand Megha's room. Okay, she wants to expand her room. Okay, so how much? She wants to make the length of the room 175% more of the current length. Okay, so how much is the length of the original? How much is the length? How much is the current length? Tell me. Look at the room length and breadth. It's clearly given. Rital, when you see here, how much is the length and how much is the width? How many meter? 30. This is length. This is length or this is length? Which one is length? The horizontal, the sleeping line, you know. The one which sleep is the length. The one which stand is the breadth or width. So how much is the length now? Tell me. Okay, 4 meter. So they want 175% of the original current length. So current length is 4 meter, right? So let us check 175. You can even do the 175 over 100 multiplied by 4. Do and tell me, Vati. See, once again here, 175 over 100 means 1.75. Do this, 1.75 multiplied by 4. Okay, but that's not correct actually. Okay, look at here.
To begin, draw a bar diagram to represent the problem. One bar represents the new length of the room, which is 175% of the original length.
That means you need to multiply with 175. Because you remember how I said you need to multiply with the percentage. So you have to multiply with 175 times, yes.
This is the length we need to find, so let's call it n meters. The second bar represents the original length of the room, which is 4 meters.
Now see, the total is 4 meters. The new length you don't know. Okay? And then how much percentage you need? Do you need 100%? No. You need 175%. Okay? So let us see how it is. Still, if you don't get it, I will explain, don't worry.
Now write a percent proportion to find the new length. The ratio of the part to the whole is equal to the percent, p to 100. In this problem, the part is the new length of the room, and the whole is the old length.
Now tell me, did you get this? You know that we have part and we have whole, and we have p and we have 100. P means percentage. Usually you are finding the percentage, but in this question, percentage is given to you, but the part is not given to you. Whole, they have given to you as old length. How much did they give you? 4 meters, right? See the length? How much did they give you? 4 meters. The new length you don't know. The new length you don't know. You just keep this as same, and then percentage. How much percentage? Over 100. So same way you will do 175 over 100 times 4. Same thing what I explained you before. 175% of the old length. 175 over of means multiplication 4. That means you will get 0. What did you say before? 4 something, 0.
Next, substitute variables and numbers into the equation. The new length of the room is the variable n. The old length of the room is 4 meters. The percent, P, is 175. To solve the equation, multiply both sides by 4. Simplify
Know
the
that,
equation.
know very well that it's 1.75 multiplied by 4, right? When you divide by 100, I do that. Look, when you divide with 100, how the point shifts two numbers to the left, right? You remember? I did not understand. See, when there are how many zeros? So how many places it moves? 1 and 2. The point is here. No idea. It has to be same actually.
To find n equals 7. The result shows that the new length of the room.
Let me use the calculator. $1.75 multiplied by 4, right? Right? No. How much percentage it is? 175. It's not 1.75. How much percentage is this? Like, Vati, the question is, she wants to expand her room. How will she make the length of 175 of the current length? 175% of the current length. So 175 over 100, not 1.75 over 100. Did you see a mistake? This becomes 1.75. This. Then you multiply with 4, then you get 7. Got it? That's why the answer is 7. Now we will do try it. Here, page 145. Try it. Megan's room is expanded so the width is 150% of 3 meters. They ask you clearly 150% of 3 meters. Please, can you write this in the sticky note because we don't have space, or in the copybook, wherever you want. 150, you all can do there inside. It's okay. So what is 150% of the 3 meters? Yes, you can do. What is 150 meters of the, how will you do this? 150% of 3 meters. Why 10? Why 10? By 3. This is one way, and the other way is like you don't know the new length, but you know the old length. Sorry, 3. And then you know the percentage. Okay? Got it? So that same thing you will get. Same thing you will get. What you're doing is correct. You understand this, right? Very good. So then let us 1.5 multiply by 3. It's 4, 3, 1, 3 and 4. And your answer is 4.5. Okay? This is question number A, I guess. A. Then B. Use the soy milk label in example 3. Look at example 3. What is the recommended amount of iron needed each day? Tell me how much iron is needed. Look at the picture of the soy milk at page 145 and tell me how much iron is recommended each day. How much percentage? 45%. So 8 mg of 45%. That is check. Eight. Sorry. B. You have 8 mg. You don't know the total. You don't know the total. Okay. I just write. I don't know the total. I don't know the whole. And 20% means here how much is 45%. 1 minute. So 45% of 8. How much is 45% of 8? 45 over 100 times 8. 45% of 8. Yeah, answer is 4.5. So 0.45 multiplied by 8. Yalla, do this and tell me. How much is 0.45 multiplied by 8? That's 1 minute. 1 minute, yes. 1 minute, don't do this question until I finish it. Is 1 by. But they have asked you the mg, nearest mg. If I send this there, it will be 8 over 45 multiplied by 100. What is 8 divided by 45? Check that first. Eight. No. 8 divided by 45. Okay, multiply by 100. Okay, so 17.77 means 17.8 mg. Yes? You copy this, I'm going to explain you after, we have, what do you call it? It comes in the book. It comes, it shows the answers on my screen, okay? Just write it down. Next class, I'm going to explain this. Right, page number, Rital. Sorry. Because you told me 8 over 45 is 0.177. Yes, I just rounded later. I forget to wear mask today. Now, girls, go to page 146. Question number 4. Write a percent proportion for the bar diagram. How did I teach you? Something out of something. What is out of? 17 out of, see? 17 out of whole. I don't know the whole. part out of whole, right? That is equals to 68% by 100. Do you all understand? You don't have to solve it. Just write the percent proportion. They said just write the percent proportion. This is how you write. The percent proportion part over whole equal percentage over 100. This is the formula. Part and whole, percent and 100. Question number 5. A 2% of 180. You girls see how you write this. 2% of 180. You know that you have to find that n out of the whole is 180 and 2% means up and you down you write 100. 2% of 180, Vatin, clearly see this. 2% of 180, percentage is 2 over 100, like percent over 100. Part over whole, 180, because they said 2% of the whole. 180 is the whole. You don't know how much is the 2%. So you have to find out n. Total is from 180, you need to find out 2% of 180, you will get n. This is the n. So this is how you write it. Now B. What percent? You need to find 17 out of 40. How do you do this? 17 they gave you, 40 they gave you. What did they ask you? What percent means? They ask you this. You don't know percent. Over 100. This is how you will solve. Okay? Did you get it? They ask you what percent. You know this is percent. So you just put P. What is part of whole? 17 out of 40. That is part and whole. And P over 100. Okay? By reading it. 5 out of 10. Which is the part and which is the whole? 5 is the part and 10 is the whole. Did they say 2 of 180? They said 2% of 180. Like if they say 2 out of 180, I'll do 2 180. But they did not say, they said percentage. Percentage means it has to be in the place of percentage. Okay, Leen? Rital, got it? Till here, did you all finish? I will go for her. N out of 180, 2 out of 100. 17 out of 40, and P of 100. Now here, I did not find the value. They ask you to find the value. How do you find the n? Where does 180 go? Wait. See here. What did I say? This has to go, right? 2 over 100 will remain same. Multiply by 180. That means 0.02 multiply by 180. Yalla, do and tell me the answer. 0.02 multiplied by 180 is how much? Right on, 3.6. Next, 17 out of 40. How do you know the percentage? Where will this 100 go, Leen? Where will this 100 go? Up. 17 over 40 multiplied by 100. So Yalla, tell me what is 17 out of 40? 42.5 is 17 out of 40. When you multiply with 100, it becomes 4250. Check. No. First tell me what is 17 out of 40. Yes. 42. Okay, so that is 42.5%. You write A and B. You know, next to B, you'll write this 17. You'll solve it, right? In the boxes, you are writing this. Boxes, you are writing this here, Avati. After this, you will write in the box. After writing the box, you write solve this. Next to it, yes. Yes. What is like this? Please. It should be also. Yes. Without to press today. Well, it's 8:16. I took your 1 minute. I'm sorry.